Yo, what is good, YouTube? Back again for another Supreme season, Spring Summer 2020. Week 1, man. Missed out on week 0 in-store drop, but here we are. Week 1 online. First drop of the year, first drop of the season. Pretty shit though, to be honest. Pretty shit, bro. Pretty shit drop list, to be honest. There was some cool stuff online, but for the most part, they're releasing like everything right now. They're releasing everything that's pretty cool, but I say it's pretty shit because in terms of making some money off of this, bro. But they got some cool stuff, I guess. The Zippo, out of its world on the price, but it's cool. Glow in the dark, you know, whatever. I could have swore last year was like 20 bucks, 25. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I don't remember paying 50 bucks either. Poncho, whatever. Gonna be a lot of stock, so we'll see. The things I'm gonna be going for though are only gonna be the Tupac tee and then the cherry skateboard, bro. The cherry skateboard is hard. This one is fire. I'm gonna go for that one for myself. I'm gonna try to keep that one. And Tupac tee, bro, I'm gonna get rid of Tupac tee. But this skateboard, bro, I need the deck. The cherries is sick. I've been telling my friends the cherries is fucking badass. That's it. That's all there is. That's all I'm gonna go for at least. Let me know down in the comments what you guys went for. Comment down below. Comment down below what you're gonna try to get throughout the whole season, bro. What you're waiting for. As for me, if you guys saw my other video, the lookbook review, the item I am waiting for is probably the City Lights jacket. The City Lights puffer, so hard. That one is sick. That one is the best thing for sure. This the season, honestly, I don't think the season's super cool or anything special. I think it's alright, I guess. I don't like any of the t-shirts that are coming out throughout the whole season from what I've seen. I don't know, it's just lackluster, bro. They got some beaner shit coming out right here. Alright, boys, I'm ready, bro. Hopefully there's no website lag. I hope. I haven't heard anything about it. I didn't look at no Supreme, what's his name? I forgot his name already. The gaming guy, I didn't look at him for probably gonna be some fat side lag, but I'm ready, bro. Got the nerd neck going on, leaned in, everything. 15 seconds before the drop. Everybody good luck, bro. Everybody good luck. Thank you for coming back and everything. New season, all that shit. Let's do this, man. There's some lag going on, boys. For sure. Hell no. There's definitely some lag. Oh. There we go. Where is he, bro? Where is he? Where is the man known as Tupac? Holy fuck, I got fucked. I don't know where he is. There he is. Oh my god. I just saw him right here. Take me to him. Oh my god. This website is fucked. Come on. No way, dude. The website is so cooked. Okay, come on. Can we get Tupac and Ash Gray? Oh, Fat Snake! Fucking card didn't fill out, bro. No way I'm getting this Tupac. Whatever, fucking. Oh, whoa! Address didn't fill out? There's no way. Oh my god, I didn't even click process the first time either. Fuck it, let's just try to get this fucking cherry deck. Fuck it. I'll be cool with just taking this. I don't know why I'm going with sizing. I'm not even gonna ride this shit. I'm fucking put on the wall, bro. Holy shit. Let's go edit. Remove that. I hope it didn't remove. Oh fuck, that might have fucked it up. To be honest. Damn, I hope that didn't fuck it up. Before, I know back then, if you would do that, it wouldn't fuck it up. It just continue the task that's checking out. But I don't know about right now, bro. I remember one time I tried it and it fucking fucked it up. Oh fuck, I'm gonna have to fucking type this all again. I'm not worried about this song. I don't think this is gonna sell out. Or at least not in time for fucking this shit. Oh, the payment didn't process. I just like gave up. Alright, now we got 2 payments trying to process. I gotta please wait. The skateboard's definitely gonna go through. In terms of the Tupac T, I think the Tupac T is donezo's. Stupid lag, bro. Stupid lag. Tupac T, we got it. I mean, did not get it for sure. Skate Deck, got that for sure. It's definitely coming through right now. Let's go, baby. Do not close your browser. Oh, it tells instructions now? Alright. Let me go see if we can get Tupac, bro. Yeah, Tupac's definitely gone. There's no way we fucking still get it. What? No way it's still in stock. Oh yeah, there we go. Still haven't gotten that, dude? Holy shit. Finally, first checkout of the season is the Cherries deck. Holy shit, that took a while. Alright, I don't think this shit's gonna work, bro. I'm gonna just leave it right here. I'm gonna leave it at this. If it goes through, I'll let you guys know or not. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you guys got anything. And thank you if you are new or returning for the season. And that's it, dude. Like, you guys saw that I got the cherry deck. Fucking Tupac T is bugged, so let me know if you guys got anything down below. If you guys had any problems with this shit, I'm pretty sure you guys did. But there's always some fuckers that didn't, so as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.